So this is how you can open the Apple Watch strap. Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so it doesn't matter which type of Apple Watch you have, it all works the same where you just flip the Apple Watch so you see the back side of it and pay attention to the little buttons next to each connection, right? So you can see one at the top and one at the bottom. Right, so it's kind of hard to press it. The button is barely visible, so you'll need to use something sharp like your fingernail to push on it. Make sure you actually click it and hold it down for a while. And while you hold it like this, you can slide out the strap from its place, right? So it will like disconnect. Make sure you slide it out completely, and that's how you disconnect one side of the strap. The point is that, of course, you repeat the very same thing on the other side as well, where you hold down on the little button and slide out the strap, so you end up with the Apple Watch, which is going to be without any connection. It's just going to be the body, and you can attach some different strap or band or anything else, and you'll end up with a new look and new functionality, I guess. It all just connects it or just fastens it on your wrist, but of course you can switch to a different band using this method. So let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.